This is Dave Pace of Pace Inspection Services, and I wanted to share a little bit this afternoon about the proper operation of a garage door. When you push the garage door button, the door should properly close, but it also should properly reverse when the light beam is interrupted, and the light beams are installed on each side of the garage door. And they should be no higher than 6 inches off of the floor. So when that light beam is interrupted, it should reverse. But it should also reverse just based on pressure or resistance. And that can be adjusted, in this case, at the back side of the garage door opener. There are 2 adjustment screws, one for up force and one for down force. And so it's a fairly easy fix, and that will ensure safe operation of the garage door.